Hello, dear student. Welcome all of you again on my YouTube channel, Unboring Chemistry. So, student, today we are going to discuss about thermodynamics. This is very most important topics, and what information comes out from thermodynamics and what is their limitation. Why we are studying thermodynamics? Okay. So let's start. What is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics means thermal means heat. Dynamics मतलब flow. तो इसमें हम स्टडी करते हैं फ्लो ऑफ हीट के बारे में. किसके बारे में स्टडी करते हैं? थर्मोडायनामिक्स में फ्लो ऑफ हीट. What is this? Thermodynamics is the branch of chemistry in which we study about different form of energy, different form of energy. It is also a form of energy, different form of energy, and their quantitative relationship between them. So what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is a branch of chemistry in which we study about different form of energy and their quantitative relationship between them. Thermodynamics based on three laws: first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, and third law of thermodynamics. These laws are based on human experience. There is no theoretical proof and no any contradiction found at that time. Okay. Thermodynamics gives information about feasibility of reaction. What it means of feasibility of reaction? कि कोई रिएक्शन होगा कि नहीं होगा उसके बारे में जानकारी देता है. feasibility of reaction के बारे में. extent of reaction before equilibrium. They give information about extent of reaction before attaining equilibrium. Okay, कि कोई रिएक्शन होगा तो कितना होगा equilibrium attain करने से पहले, मतलब कितना रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट होगा. Okay, they are also give some important law of equilibrium and distribution law etc. Okay, what is the limitation? They give information about feasibility, extent, and law of chemical equilibrium, but they give not information about rate of reaction. What means of rate? Rate conversion of reactant into product per unit time. This is called rate of reaction. So they give no information about rate of reaction, mechanism of reaction, how reaction proceeds. They not give any information about mechanism of reaction. And these laws are not applied on microscopic particles like atoms and molecules. These laws are applied on macroscopic particles, यानी कि bulk of atoms and bulk of molecules. Individual atoms and molecules पे apply नहीं होगा. तो ऐसे ही आगे अगर आप थर्मोडायनामिक्स में देखना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट करिए कि क्या आपको समस्या या कोई टॉपिक हो ऐसा जिसमें आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप बता सकते हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.